Mr. Rimnam Khemchan flagged off the Ghar Tiranga bike rally from Haptakang Jaibung today. The rally was organized by the Manipur Police Department and saw the participation of thousands of bikers from across the state. Speaking on the sideline, Chief Minister Khemchan maintained that India gained independence on 15th of August 1947. Since then, the people of the country have been celebrating the spirit of freedom by proudly hoisting the national tricolor. He urged all citizens to work together with unity and patriotism to achieve the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047 and to build a strong India. He also called on everyone to support Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of making India the strongest nation in the world. The rally was organized as part of the nationwide Ghar Tiranga campaign aimed at promoting national pride and unity. The rally began at Haptakang Jaibung in Imphal East, passed through National Highway 102, Kongjomwar Memorial, Thawal District, Kakching District, and concluded at the 8th Battalion Manipur Rifles campus in Laikun, Chandel District. The flag-off ceremony was attended by Home Minister Govindas Konthaujam, Art and Culture Minister K.H. Loken, Rajya Sabha MP from Maharashtra and BJP Manipur Pradesh in charge Dr. Ajit Gopchade, Samthong MLA Nishikant Singh Sapam, Chief Secretary Dr. Puneet Kumar Goyal, Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh, DGP Manipur Mukesh Singh, other senior police officers, senior government officials, among others.